Imagine waking up early in the morning, reaching for your mobile phone, and immediately seeing a new notification of a direct deposit into your bank account. Back then, we could only dream of this happening, but these days, when people can work and earn from their homes, everything is now possible. Mobile apps offer a wide variety of potential revenue streams to people looking for simple and convenient methods to generate income. You can use your smartphone to do side hustles and earn money by doing simple tasks. But despite being simple, these tasks can earn you up to $200 daily. That is why you should ensure that you remain tuned in and watch the entire video until the very end to acquire knowledge of all 5 of these applications, because the more applications you use, the more money you will make. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Now let us begin with the first app. Number 1. InstaGC. By downloading this app, you will earn a lot of money, all for free. You can check out instagc.com to start. And don't worry, because you can access this by using your Android or iOS devices and your PC. This app is pretty cool because if you check out their Facebook page, you will see the proof of payment of everyone else earning from them. This only means that the platform is truly transparent regarding paying its users. To earn from the app, you need to accumulate points by doing several tasks. You can try and complete simple surveys, for instance, and get paid for them. You can allocate at least 10 to 20 minutes of your day for this, and you can earn easy money. But if you truly want to earn more, we will suggest that you go for watching videos, since there is more money on those tasks. With this app, you can build multiple streams of income. To get your payments though, you will need a bank account, or you can always redeem your money through Amazon gift cards. To download this app, you can check out their website or go through their Facebook and Twitter accounts. All you will need is to put in your username, password, and email address in order to sign up, an action that will automatically give you 10 points for free. Number 2. App Karma. By using this free app, you will be earning a lot of rewards. With this, you don't have to spend anything, and you will be able to use both your Android and iOS to access this. All you have to do is to install the app on your phone, and you can instantly get 300 points for free. Now you may think, why do these points matter? Well, in App Karma, 100 points are equivalent to $1, which means that just by signing up, you get $3 automatically. But to truly start earning, you need to log in daily to get rewards from the app. Check in every single day to do the tasks, and you will get more money and more bonuses. And you know what's fun with this app? If you finish certain tasks, you'll receive very special badges. Now you have to earn these because these badges will help you level up and increase your earnings. Once you earn all of the badges, the app is going to give you an extra 12.5% of the bonus, and you will literally multiply your earnings. But if you want more cha-ching from App Karma, you can also refer other people to use the app. You can simply share your referral code, and you can earn 30% of what your referrals are earning. And when you're ready to cash out, you can just redeem your earnings through a bank account, or you can just use gift cards. Number 3. CashKick. To start earning some income from CashKick, you will need to sign up for a free account. To do this, the platform will require you to put in your email address and password to set up an account. This website is not that different from InstaGC, since you will also have to do a task in order to earn some money. With CashKick, you will have to answer different surveys, find different great deals, watch videos, or even just surf the web. But what sets it different from InstaGC is that it pays more money, which means that you will earn more from it. And once you have accumulated some income and would want to cash out, you can just get paid directly through a bank account. Number 4. SuperPay. If you check out superpay.me, you can basically make more money online by doing paid surveys. They are pretty cool too, because they can pay you within 24 hours. And you don't have to wait as much because they also have a really low cash out threshold. You can work from home using this platform and do as much or as little as you want just by signing up, which will guarantee a 20-cent sign-up bonus. To sign up, you will just have to click a button where you can register and then fill up your personal details as well as your mailing address. Now, it doesn't matter where you are from because they are accepting people from all over the world. You will have to enter your payment details as well so that you can get paid easily once you complete all the tasks. With SuperPay, the concept is pretty easy to understand, just like some of the apps mentioned earlier. You will also have to complete different offers, like participating in surveys. Once you are done, you can get paid and cash out your earnings through Amazon gift cards, Skrill, or even Bitcoin. Number 5. Smart App. To make use of this app, you will have to go to smartapp.io and download and install this app on your mobile phone for free. This app has a lot of good reviews and testimonies, so you can be sure that this is pretty legit. To use it, you have to sign up for a free account, and you might have to take a simple test to get accepted. But once you are qualified, you can easily download and install it. Once that is done, all you have to do is to keep your device connected to the internet. You also have to check the app every single day for more rewards and cash. And these are all the apps that you can install in order to earn passive income. Even while money-making apps work, you should not set your sights too high, since most of these applications weren't made to provide anything close to a full-time income. You should see them as tools you may use to make extra cash in your spare time. So what are you waiting for? Check out these apps right now and start your journey to making more income while inside the comforts of your own home. Comment down below so we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!